everyone, it's Stephanie here. Just got a new China mail in today, and it is my last one from Paint with Diamonds, and I thought I would do a video of it. It is a square as the other two in my last video. I forgot to mention that. This one is a 35 by 45, and it was $29.99, and they call it Sitting on the Shore. I don't have any beachy ones, so I really like this one. I've been toying one to get one, and I figured what the heck, might as well get one, and so I got one. And so let's go ahead and open it. And instructions. The diamonds are the drills, and a toolkit. I'm not sure if that is a 9 drill or a 6 drill. I'm thinking it is a 9 drill. The tweezers, nice big thing of wax, and the green boat. Get the inventory sheet out so you guys can see which one I got. And it came with baggies. And I got that one. And I just love the colors. Very beachy theme. And the biggest bags is 14. So not too bad at all. It's got a lot of colors. Wow, 39 colors. I would not expect that. So that is going to be pretty. So yeah, it's got 14 colors of the sky, the light blue, which will be pretty. And the next one is number 10. 10 bags, sorry, of 3756. Also a light blue. A lot of blues, which will be, go figure, as it is a beachy theme. But yeah, as you can see, a lot of blues. So yeah. And for once, I don't see any loose drills. So yay. That's nice. Alright, let's take a look at the canvas. Nice and thick canvas as always. Looks good on the back. Oh. Let's try that again. There we go. Adhesive wanted to come up with it. Ooh, look at the palm tree. Can you see that? That is gorgeous. Let's see the drill field. Really clear as usual. I mean, they always do a really good job. And on the bottom, the two chairs, and then the sand with the ocean. I mean, you definitely can see the chairs, and then the palm tree of the trunk. I mean, very clear. But yeah. Nice symbols. I mean, very clear. Won't have any troubles with this one. I won't even think I even would need my light pad for this one. But yeah, this one's gonna be a short video because this is the only one I have. I know my Ever Moment paintings are on their way. They did it in 2 separate orders because it was a big order, 5 of them. I was busy at work today, so I didn't get a chance to look at the tracking. I'm pretty sure, knowing my luck, that some of them will be here tomorrow. I don't know if I'll have time tomorrow to do a video. We'll just see. But yeah, so very gorgeous painting, diamond painting. Drills look really good. And I know I've shown you, they do the black ink, which sometimes you can't really see with the dark colors, but you can tell what color they are. But pretty clear. I mean, you can see. So yeah, very nice canvas, very nice. Everything's very well put together. So yeah, I hope you all guys have a great day. If you guys have any questions, please leave comments. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.